Eggs, nature's multivitamin. Have you ever wondered why eggs are often called nature's multivitamin? These humble kitchen staples pack a powerful nutritional punch, making them one of the best foods to include in your diet for overall health. From building muscles to sharpening your brain, eggs have got it all covered. Let's crack into the science behind this nutritional powerhouse and discover why you might want to start your day with an egg or two. Nutritional profile of eggs. Eggs are a gold mine of nutrition. Each egg is filled with essential vitamins such as A, D, E, and B12, minerals like iron and selenium, and antioxidants that support eye health. The star of the show is the high-quality protein found in eggs, with about 6 grams in a single large egg. This protein is complete, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids your body needs to function optimally. Metabolic benefits of eating eggs. Starting your day with eggs can boost your metabolism and help you feel full longer, thanks to their high protein content. This feeling of satiety can aid in weight management by reducing the urge to snack on less healthy options. Moreover, the nutrients in eggs play a crucial role in energy production, keeping you energized throughout the day without the need for excessive calorie intake. Cholesterol and heart health. The topic of eggs and cholesterol has been a hot debate for years. However, recent studies show that for most people, consuming eggs doesn't significantly affect blood cholesterol levels and is not linked to an increased risk of heart disease. In fact, eggs contain heart-healthy nutrients like omega-3 fatty acids, which can reduce triglyceride levels in the blood. Daily consumption, pros and cons. Incorporating eggs into your daily diet can enrich your body with vital nutrients. Regular consumption can improve your intake of essential vitamins and minerals, contributing to better health. However, it's important to consume them in moderation and be mindful of your overall dietary cholesterol intake, especially if you have specific health conditions like diabetes or heart disease. Eggs for people over 50. For those over 50, eggs are particularly beneficial. They provide high-quality protein that helps prevent muscle loss and contains vitamin D and calcium for bone health. Including eggs in your diet can help meet the increased nutritional needs of aging bodies, supporting overall health and well-being. Eggs are more than just a breakfast staple. They're a nutritional powerhouse that can support your health in numerous ways. From providing high-quality protein to debunking cholesterol myths, eggs have proven to be beneficial for weight management, heart health, and meeting the nutritional needs of those over 50. So the next time you're pondering what to have for breakfast, remember the mighty egg and all the good it can do for your body. Let's embrace the versatility and health benefits of eggs. Whether you like them boiled, scrambled, or poached, incorporating eggs into your diet can be a simple step towards a healthier you. Before you leave to get yourself a couple of eggs, please subscribe so you will be notified when new videos are uploaded.